Today I'm going to show you how to make an iced chocolate milk drink. We're not going to use any ice. We're going to use some ice cream, some just vanilla ice cream. Need some cream in a can, some topping, some chocolate topping. You can use Cotties. Milkshake one is preferred, so it's nice and runny, so it mixes in. You need to get yourself some milk, some glasses, an ice cream scoop, 4 teaspoons, and 4 straws. First of all, I'll get the glasses. This is the same size as a teaspoon. You need to put 4 of these in each glass. You don't need no blender or no special equipment to make it. It's very easy to make. And you can use any cup or glass you want. You don't have to use these small ones. You can use bigger ones. So just put 4 scoops in there. Make sure you have a piece of paper towel handy if you get any of the chocolate topping on your hand. So we've got to fill these up halfway with milk. Once you've filled them up halfway with milk, the next step is to mix them all in. You can, if you want to do this in a bottle or a shaker, you could, but because this chocolate topping mixes in very well with the milk because it's not cloggy, it's a runny ice cream topping, it's good. Once you've stirred that in, get your ice cream. We want to put in a scoop, just 1 small scoop. You don't need to go putting in a big scoop or overdoing it. Once you put your ice cream in there, put the lid back on it. Make sure you put this in the freezer because it will melt. Make sure you put your milk back in the fridge though. And I've got a little bit of cocoa here too, just to sprinkle on top. So now our ice cream's mixed in there. Just get your can of cream. Get a piece of paper towel. Dribble that down the side of it. Put your cream on there like that. Just take that spoon out. Put your straws in there. Carefully. And I've got me 4 small spoons here to put in the cup. Just put them in there like that. Now you can put your cocoa in a sprinkler like this, just sprinkle over the top, but you can just grab it on a small amount on the spoon. Don't go putting too much of this on the top because you'll make it too bitter. Just sprinkle it over there, just a little bit. And that's how you make iced chocolate drinks. And they're ready to enjoy. And thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like.